go.
Okay, she likes it.
I'll stay there.
She likes. I told him guys that my heart is
In the Philippines.
yeah. That means I miss living in there. Huh?
Yes, and I know what it means. I know you didn't really want to be here to begin with. How are you kidding? Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning. Katatapos ko lang naligo. And I think si Tammy andun sa master. Andun sa master bath. But anyway, good morning po sa inyo. Hindi ko pa dinadry kasi doon ako magdadry ng buhok sa master kasi ano, doon yung hair comb ko. Anyway, good morning po sa inyo. Today is Tuesday ngayon, and hindi gusto ni Tammy pupunta kami sa ina niya, pero this one told me we cannot go. No, I'm just kidding. Hi baby, hello love, somebody's coming. But anyway guys, so hindi kami makapunta doon sa biyanan ko kasi yung sister-in-law ko may mga appointment siya na ginawa para sa biyanan ko na ang gagawin namin is punta na lang kami, magpa-haircut siya, and also we are going to pick up some bread, water. Mag-edit lang ako. Ako na yung nag-i-edit guys. Ang dami kong ini-edit kasi nag-edit pa ako ng vlog ko, nag-i-edit pa ako ng mga video ng sister ko. Kailangan ko pa itong tanggalin. Hintayin ko lang si Taming matapos sa bathroom. Anyway, edit time! So, this is the result, guys, sa floor. Dito, ito yung pinipressure wash ni Tammy dito, oh. Kakaiba siya sa hindi talaga, kasi, pinofocus ni Tammy dito kasi may green algae. What is it? Algae. So, it's sobrang green dito. So, that's why si Tammy talagang pinofocus niya dito. So, kaya, after, paglagay ng color, iba yung look kaysa dito. Tignan nyo. May pagka-smooth dito. May pagka-rough dito. So, yun yung difference. So, okay na siya. I like it, baby. You let us know, guys, kung look, okay na siya dito. Oh, look, tignan nyo. Sobrang nice, diba? Nice dyan. Dito. Okay lang naman siya. Dito, sobrang nice. Look. I like it. Swing. Over here is overcolored, like we put so much this area. Look, actually it's pretty. So guys, so supposedly we are not going to see my mother-in-law because she is going somewhere, but yung kapatid ni Tammy changed the schedule because now mom back to sleep, and I guess Tammy's going over there. I don't know if I'm going. He just told me I don't have to go. Look at him. I don't spend time with Tommy. Hindi na ako nakapag-spend time. Oh, no time for you, baby boy. You still have to do haircut. We get water. We get your bread. Basa yung buhok ko, hindi ko bino.
Yeah, I can stop on the way back.
Hey.
What?
Where are you stopping? Oh, you know what I'm going to do? I will stay here and eat it here. Huh?
Okay.
Mag-edit na lang ako dito, guys. When she get out here?
Once it dries, they'll get rid of that.
I can even smell it too.
Yeah. And they smell much better than you.
They have a good sense of smell, right? Oh, it's so strong, right? Strong, baby. Mitty, it's strong. What is it, Mitch? And kakain tayo ng lunch para hindi tayo magutom mamaya, diba? Magutom tayo, guys. Kain tayo ng leftover natin kagabi. Yung asawa ko, guys, na-insult. Dahil, sabi pa niya, kumain ako, sabi pa niya, Kakain ako, sabi pa niya. Yung kakainin ko raw is yung niluto niya na manok. Kagabi pa yan, guys. At saka yung last week, nagdala siya dito, di ba? Hindi ko kinain. Kahapon, nakita niya, sabi pa niya, ay, nang ano siya ba niya? Parang nagluog ba, nasakta na. Basta, yun. Kainin natin itong, wala tayo konti. Ilagay natin. Kalimutan kong bigyan si Tami kahapon. Atsara. Magkamay tayo. Han, do you wanna eat with me? Huh? You need to cut his hair, but he's good looking. Hi! I don't close that window because the rain can't go in anyway. Are you gonna stop for your haircut?
No, we're gonna do it on the way back, maybe.
God. Fine. Be ugly. I'm so mean, right? Just kidding. Oy. Okay, I guess I'm gonna drive again. Because lately, I'm Tommy's driver. I'm his driver for free. So, yun yung ano ko, life ko with Tommy. Free driver. Oh, I need to put some cash in my wallet. I'll put this in my wallet. You know why? I don't like bringing cash, but Tommy sometimes give me and then, you know, stuff like that. This one, I will put this because the reason why I've been wanting to have singles, because when you are driving, I have easy pass here. Like when you pass the bridge, you don't have to pay tolls. It's just automatic, computerized. You know, recognize this. It will recognize the easy pass, and sometimes, you know, you don't know if something happened like that, and then what you're gonna do is like they will ask you money, which is like, you know, $1. It depends what bridge you're passing. Kasi kaya may easy pass din kami dito at saka yung sasakyan ni Tami, kasi pag si Tami gumamit nitong sasakyan, automatic na yan, hindi na siya mag-worried. So meron kami easy pass. He has to pay monthly for this, guys.
Well, that's nice. I was leaving the car, so because we're gonna come tomorrow. But now I gotta find it.
So yeah.
Too damn low. Got it? Too low.
Look how far we've come, my baby. We might have to.
Guys, wala na pala akong gas. Nakalimutan ko na wala na pala akong gas. Yan si Tami ay. Siya na yung siya na yung lumabas. Kaloka. So yan, kami mga, I think mga 15 minutes away from from my sister-in-law's house, I think. Ginasan tayo ni Tommy. Yee! Siya yung nagas. Yee! Tommy!
Hi.
Hi, nothing! I can feel the car in our side.
You have reached your destination on the right.
Uy, naku, talagang buhay na to. They don't even look. They just like walk and walk and walk and walk and walk. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna park in the 15 minutes parking when you leave. Hold, okay, ma'am. Bye.
Bye.
Oh, ma'am, close it, ma'am. Close it.
Nice.
I'm gonna pour forward.
Oh.
Okay? That's fine. Okay.
well, that's true.
Okay, see you. See you when I see you.
Okie dokie.
Tickle you for the last time.
I hope I'll see you when I come back.
No.
No?
Probably Andrea will pick you up.
Oh,
Okay. Can go. She likes it.
I'll stay there.
She likes Naawa ako kay Biyanan dahil sobrang ano niya, sobrang tawag nito yung wala talaga siya sa ano yung ginhawa niya, yung breathing niya is I think dahil yan Saturday, today is today Tuesday. Saturday supposedly may siya, may dialysis. Ang nangyari, yung kapatid ni Tami dapat dalhin doon, dinala sa party, sa wedding party ng anak niya. May pasikan wedding party sila, so dinala. Of course, kapag andun ka, may iinumin ka, kahit ano pang mga iinumin mo. And then yun, parang ganon, parang nag-over yung fluid sa katawan niya. Yes, we go stop over there first. Okay guys, let's go take mga bahog tik-tik mong dagko, good?
I've been walking because the way he's driving is wet. Somebody's coming behind you and he's not paying no attention. He sees you backing up, he don't even slow down.
I see in the camera, he's over there. He's wiggling.
He's not even, he drives.
A life of a lifetime. Okay guys, let's go. Whoa. Tommy wants his haircut. It's time check.
This one here.
Huh?
This one here.
One here?
I said that I want my haircut. This hair.
Hair's cut?
This hair over here, right here. This one.
Okay, so why only there?
We're really joking.
I know.
Wasted joke.
I know it's kind of like you said. I said haircut, so maybe you need is to be all layered. Hair's cut. Hair's cut. What the hair's cut mean? Natawa naman ako sa hair's cut na yan. My husband is something else, guys. So let's go, guys. After his haircut, we're gonna get some water. We're gonna get some bread. Hala, big lots. There's no bread.
No, we're gonna go shop right for that.
You don't have a choice. You go
They're not even open.
You go to ShopRite, yeah?
But over there, they're not open yet.
He's getting his power. Ano, busy yan sa pagmimigay ng mga pagkain. Gee, new haircut.
Look how happy she was. I brought. Oh, Hobbs, really? Seriously?
What happened?
He took her piece.
Aw, poor Dimples. Because that's your son that you're so proud of.
Oh, yeah. Little pig.
Look at that, guys. Look.
Piggy.
You're so proud of him, and look what happened now. Who you are not allowed over there. Little boy. Halahan, he's gonna follow you. Oh, he's right here. Look at Han, his tongue is like, look at his list. He's like,
Fine, I'll give you another piece.
he's watching you.
You little piggies. You do not take stuff out of your sister's mouth.
He did?
Yeah, she was eating it. He wouldn't push her away. He took it.
That's it. Look at that, guys. Look at the spoiled one. What is it, mister? He looks good. I love you.
Roxy jump on you?
Yeah.
You didn't bring me ham.
Wait, is langaw eh. Baho siguro guys, ani maho na ko. Sunod-sunod na naman ko langaw. I asked him before, guys. Heart to heart to. But he never say maybe, or maybe who knows in the future.
About living in the Philippines 6 months and 6 months.
Yeah, just like for your retirement, you know. Not
I got a real strong feeling I'll be dead before I'm be retired.
Can you just
Hun?
No, stop it. Can you just please stop it? I cannot even imagine living without you.
I can't imagine being retired.
You don't even enjoy life. You've been working
No.
crazy shit.
Working till I'm 12.
6 months sa Pilipinas, 6 months dito. So wala kaming bahay dito. We have to tell her sister. We live
We have to do an Airbnb for 6 months.
Airbnb. Not like Andrea.
No.
Why?
Not moving in with somebody for 6 months.
She would be gladly to have us.
No, she would not.
I will ask her.
Nobody would be. No, hon.
Huh?
Nobody would want that.
You know there is a hotel that you can rent for months.
Yeah, they're called efficiency apartments.
Huh?
They're called efficiencies. And a hotel is called an efficiency where it has a stove and a kitchen and a refrigerator.
Yeah.
Like, it's called an efficiency as opposed to a hotel room. It don't look clear, but it doesn't look like a storm coming. Maybe it won't come till tomorrow.
Okay.
Time to
You
dry.
would love to, you know, you stay more in the Philippines and see all the beauty. You would love to stay there, especially if we get a place that is close to the water. You would love it.
I'll put it down the way. I can sit on my porch and watch the water.
Yeah. Camotes is a really good place. Camotes, guys. Camotes Island. I told him guys that my heart is,
In the Philippines.
yeah. That means I miss living in there. Huh?
Yes, and I know what it means. I know you didn't really want to be here to begin with. How are you kidding? I'm not
You ready to eat this?
I am, because I got to go. Even I miss you, I still gotta go. Just